on that early morning grind. Y'all already know we at that gun range. Pull this out. Sun ain't even up yet. Hopefully we can catch a nice sunrise out of water. Target bait. Oh, it's chilly, 63 degrees. But then by 10, 11 o'clock, it'll be high 80s. Got a trick for these mosquitoes today. Y'all ain't gonna be biting me up out here today. Alright, get that steel up. Alright, so today we are going to be raising some hell out here on this range with that Springfield Hellion. Now, if you have not seen my Hellion review, make sure that you go back and do. But as of this point, we are 1,000 rounds into that beast. And we are going to see if it's going to, now it has not been cleaned. We're going to see if it's going to perform just as good as when we first got it. Now y'all already know that those rifles on the AR platform, you have to be a little babyish with them, but we're not doing that. So we're going to run it today and see how well it does. Glasses. Hearing protection. What is that? Oh, it's a cooler. You know, early morning stuff be getting ready to go to bed, so you gotta make sure ain't nothing out here with us. Alright, first things first, we are in a safe and controlled environment. We are at the gun range. So, like I said a moment ago, we are going to be talking about that Springfield Hellion. Chambered in 5.56-223, and it does come in a nice bag for Springfield. I can appreciate y'all for your rifle bags. Thank you. I got a little bit of a gripe with y'all with some handguns, but as far as your rifles go, y'all do an excellent job. So, like I said, you get this bag, and of course, once you get that bag, you got to add your Yoke Gang gun, your Yoke Gang gun bag patch to it. All right, so I know she's facing that way, so let's turn this around this way. And here she is. Let's do a quick clear check. She's clear. And safety's on. All right, so she does look kind of funky because she is on that bullpup platform. I am still not sure what that is all about and the practicality of it, because I can't find it to be practical. But if it was created, it's obviously something about it that is money. So here she is. So she weighs 8 pounds. She has a 16-inch barrel. As you can see, there is a hollowed out part right here. This is your actual charging handle, so you're able to charge from the left and the right side. So that is an ambi charge. Your Picatinny rail, you have a lot of Picatinny space at the top with your flip up sights. You just press this button and they will pop up for you. Your front and your rear sight. Your handguard down here, it is an M-LOK handguard. It's nice. I find it to be quite comfortable without, you know, obstructing your sight when you actually get your front grip on this rifle. Now, your grip, it's nice. It's an M3 grip. It's quite textured, but it's not that sandpaper texture-ish. It's almost like a polymer style, but it's nice. I can't, you know, I can't take that from them. It is nice. You also have your little compartment under here. We did talk about what are some items and options that you guys actually put in your compartment, and had a lot of good ideas. So that's something that I'm going to be working on, adding to my compartments. Now, the style of loading these rifles is actually from the back. So your magazine, your mag well is on the rear of the rifle, not in front of your grip and your trigger. It's not too comfortable, but hey, they did it and they must have a reason for it. So this is how it would look. Your magazine release is right back here. So you would push that in and slide that right out. Your stock actually has 3 settings. So depending on how tall you are or whatever, that's how you would adjust that. Now, because your ejection port is so close to your stock, you want to be careful because those shells can fly back into your face. So make sure you take a couple shots before you go out there and let it rip, because you definitely don't want to mess your face up, because it will give you a good burn, a cut, or something on your face. Now, how you adjust this, you actually push this button in the back here, and you can push that back, and your chin guard or your chin rest actually is adjustable as well. So, and by nature, if you've been shooting a while, you understand you want to just grab that magazine when it's in the well, and you know, in place of your grip, because everything is so pushed forward, because everything is just sitting back here. You'll see when I put that magazine in, to where when you get ready to grab it, it's, you know, it's in the spot where your grip is supposed to be. But hey, that's not here nor there. So sling, I did add this sling. This is a quick detached sling. If you have not checked out my first rifle pistol competition, that was back in June. Please make sure that you, not June this year, I think it was June last year. It might, well, anyway, it was back in June. So make sure you go back and check that out. I did come in second place, which is awesome for my very, very first time. So that was my rifle pistol competition. But as far as this goes, she does have 1,000 rounds through her. She has not been cleaned. She really does need to be cleaned desperately, but we'll probably consider that after this. Her muzzle brake here, it's a 4-prong. Decent. But I don't own many of these because I really don't like how they look. I also have an AUG. Well, it's not AUG, it's AUG. But if they created it, it's for a reason, and you just have to embrace it and try it and see how it goes. So with that being said, let's get suited up. We are already loaded up. Oh, it does come with 1 magazine. So that's 1 PMag that it does come with. We are already loaded up. And of course, she got that Yoke Gang mag. And let's send them down range. Alright, so when I purchased the Springfield Hellion in the bullpup configuration, I was struggling a lot. And y'all gonna hear me keep talking about that because I am still trying to find the practicality in this. I own an AUG as well, but I just thought it had such a mean look to it to where I had to. And if I'm not mistaken, this was Springfield's response to the IWI Tavor. So because there is another one that looks very similar to this, which is the Tavor, I must pick that up because I think it's pretty, I mean, overall, it looks good. It looks good. It's just a little more trying when you get ready to hold it and load it and drop the mag and all that good stuff. But as far as charging goes, it's very nice because you can choose your selector on either side, left or right side, and I like that. Your safety switch is also ambi, left and right side, so that's cool. I like that. Getting ready to get in the shooting stance, I find myself again wanting to grab the back of it. It's not where it is. This is not a first shot impression. We're gonna take that first shot though. Smooth shoot, very nice. What I was saying earlier about the actual grip ability to where you can run your finger right underneath that pick rail so you can have a nice grip on her without obstructing your vision on your actual red. See how close these are to my face? Yeah, that was it. I think she shoots very clear. I mean, very good. And she's clear. The sun is getting ready to rise. Look how beautiful that is. And we got, and it's still chilly. Let's get another magazine. I knew what to expect, but very nice. She's clear. Ouch! See why it's important to pack out what you pack in? Let's get another one. What a great shoot. She's clear. Magazine's out. So enjoyable. Comfortability as far as holding the rifle, it is very nice. Very nice when ergonomically, it's nice. Just the little functions you have to get used to, because this is not a standard looking, or you know what I'm saying, piece. It's just a matter of getting used to. We got another magazine, and after 1,000 rounds, I'm still not feeling it 100%, but I can't take the shoot away from it. It shoots amazing. She looks good. She looks good. Oh, my necklace. Whew. Smoking. She's getting a little warm. But because it's chilly, she feels good. She's clear. Cool. All right. What do you think? How does she look? Looks good? Great. Let me get some more rounds. We went through them very quickly. temperature where y'all at? Man, it's cold. I ain't used to these 60s. So as far as how she looks, how she shoots, what do you think? I think she all right. Okay, I didn't say what we were shooting today. We are shooting bronze ammunition. This is 55 grain, 223. Yeah, got loaded up. Let's get back right. There's other things out there too. I'm just going to take a shot at that as well. So we're going to alternate through what's on the mound and the steel. Nice. Getting back on target is super easy. I love this AMG. You see that? AMG UH1. It's a Vortex. I love it. Yeah, I came back on my arm. She's fun. She's clear. For 8 pounds, she's not overly heavy, but she can, the weight can increase with your, you know, the little things that you add to it, as far as your magazine, your loaded magazine, your sights, your flashlights, all those other things. It can get quite heavy as well. This is getting too fun. Now, she's very warm, but because the temperature is cool, it feels nice on the hands, so I'm not complaining about that. But at this point, she does have some heat coming out. She's clear, and she's on safe. I think we got one more loaded. Yes, we do. Doesn't take much to run through her. She's clear and she's safe. We got a few loose rounds here. We're not taking them home. We're gonna reload. We might reload a couple more times. I'm not sure, but I'm having a good time, as always, at the range when things work. So let's get these loaded back up. We are reloaded. Woo, she's hot. Caliente. This sling. What a rush. Hot. Give a second. She's clear. Last one. Maybe, maybe not. And she's clear. Let's turn that safety on. Whew. So, what do you think? I think she shot absolutely amazing, even after the first 1,000 rounds. That was maybe close to 300 rounds we shot. Close to 3. Son. And she still ran perfectly. Is that my excuse not to clean? She doesn't look too bad. But, ladies and gentlemen, the Springfield Hellion bullpup. And I love the way she shoots. I like the way she looks. But I got to get used to this rear loading because that is not natural to me. But it's different. It's fun. That's what I like. So, what do you think? What did you think about her? You can't deny the fact that she's sexy. You can't deny that fact. Love it. And this AMG, on point. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Yoke Gang, thank you once again, as I thank you always, for joining me on this great range day. I had a great time. I hope you guys did too. If you have not checked out www.yokegang.com, make sure that you do. Pick up a t-shirt and a gun bag patch. I got some neat, new, cool stuff coming out for you soon. So with all that being said, y'all already know I gotta let you go, but I love y'all for life. Peace.